Why don't senior citizens use a hose instead of a shower? Because at their age, they can't remember if they're watering the garden or washing their hair. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on shower for seniors. Tip 1. Install grab bars. Installing grab bars in the shower can provide seniors with the necessary support they need to stand and move securely. They can hold onto the bars to maintain balance, which significantly reduces the risk of falls and injuries. Opt for grab bars that can support substantial weight and feature a non-slip grip. Tip 2. Use non-slip mats. Non-slip mats are essential to ensure safety when stepping in and out of the shower. These mats provide traction for wet feet, reducing the chance of slips and falls. Also, consider placing a non-slip mat in the shower itself for added safety. Tip 3. Consider a shower chair. A shower chair can be beneficial for seniors who have difficulty standing for extended periods. They can sit comfortably while showering, reducing fatigue and the risk of falls. Ensure the chair is sturdy and features a non-slip surface. Tip 4. Install handheld showers. Handheld showers give seniors better control and make bathing easier, especially for those who use a shower chair. They can adjust the water direction to where it's needed without needing to move excessively. Tip 5. Keep essential items within reach. Ensure all necessary items such as shampoo, soap and towels are within easy reach. It can help seniors avoid making precarious moves to grasp something they need, again reducing the risk of falls. Tip 6. Maintain a comfortable temperature. Keep the bathroom at a comfortable temperature to avoid shock from sudden changes. Also, ensure the water temperature is set to a safe level that the elderly person can withstand, preventing burns from too hot water. Tip 7. Ensure proper lighting. Good lighting in the bathroom and the shower area is essential, especially for seniors who may have vision problems. Adequate light can help prevent failures in identifying objects or obstacles. Tip 8. Opt for lever faucets. Twist faucets can be hard for seniors to operate, especially for those with arthritis or grip weakness. Lever faucets are easier to manipulate and can make controlling the water temperature much more straightforward. Tip 9. Maintain cleanliness. It's important to consistently clean the shower area to prevent the buildup of bacteria and mold. A clean shower also prevents the buildup of soap scum, which can make surfaces slippery and cause falls. Tip 10. Consider a walk-in shower. If budget and home construction allows, a walk-in shower can be an excellent choice for seniors. With no step-over edge, walk-in showers eliminate a significant fall risk and make showering a lot safer. Tip 11. Regular supervision. If the senior has serious mobility issues or cognitive impairment, regular supervision during showering is advised. A caregiver or family member can provide needed support and prevent potential accidents. The presence of someone can also offer reassurance and create a more comfortable experience.